Yeah, man. I greet you on another series. Yalapha ekhaya. As ukubone ke ba we usually do i-series ezithile. Apho mina nawe sibe sicikida kaloku mntakwethu ngeways ezibalulekileyo, you know. So yesterday many things were considered illegal, man. Yes, when I grasp the meditation, they were illegal. Today they are legal. There were herbs considered as drugs. Today they are known and well known what is the drugs. Yazi, this attitude, like this attitude of denying what is true and what is not, is making me question plenty of things that are going on, man, in this world, you know. Like, for example, yesterday marijuana was considered a drug. Yesterday, not even way back in time. Yesterday, marijuana was a drug. Today, all over the world, marijuana got healing powers. Marijuana, it's a plant. You know what is so strange? Even there are also other platforms that do not allow people to smoke free marijuana because they still hold the old norms zokuthi i-drug. Please, brothers, please, this is not a drug. We've been telling you this thing, like, not me this time. That's why I said we. Plenty of us came through before telling the same story over and over and over and over again, until someone in the highest powers or in the highest realms of powers came with this idea ukuthi man bantakwethu, now nifit ukuthi niyazi ukuthi this is not a drug. Yabo. Us, we have to go aside, spafi ganja aside, then after we come back sireasone now. Baninzi kwi-platforms uziyeke i-artist decorate i-background, just like umzekelo yayibole yam platform ayinayo ne-decoration ki-background. Ubona le mani ihlala nawe ireasone ibe izipafele iganja, so automatically in your mind unalana uba nothing important, man, about this one. Yabo. And also most you can see the image of the man does not seem the way wena oqhela ubukela ngayo YouTube ezinye podcast. Yabo. So definitely ke ngozaba ne-personal likes and dislikes. Yabo. Nzayithini ke because nami ndinezam. So sithini, you either watch it or you don't watch it, and then you move on. Yabo. Because here I'm not selling anything, I am reasoning with you. These things between us, not me and you. And you see that guy, he or she, that lady, and that one, it's not about them, those ones. It's about us, brother. That's why you can listen to me and understand what I'm talking about, because this thing is between me and you. Just like those who sit in the table and started to decide ukuthi iganja, it's a herb, it's not a drug. How many years even the ancients have been talking about this thing? This thing has been found even in the spiritual practices, but it's now it's considered or being recognized ukuthi this is what it is. So sometimes I ask myself, for how long are we supposed to speak the same thing over and over and over again? And who is he who have the power in this world when he moves, his existence is felt within the laws of the country or of the nation. And those laws, if they don't align with whatever that was promoted by the ancient minds or mind, he can study the public in far distant places and know ukuthi i-public ifuna liweni. And now when the man come, put the thing in his own ways, like ideas that are planted psychologically through adverts, because we watch television in the age of technology and all that stuff, brother, to a point that we as a society, we start to move automatically because of the implanted ideas unconsciously in our minds, and we accept this thing as a norm. Let me tell you something. I was watching one of the philosophical videos online, and I hear someone there, or whoever was an AI or whatever that one was, saying, anything that is strange or being introduced for the first time, that thing, it's hard to be accepted. I didn't understand the brother when he was speaking that thing, or the AI brother or whoever, because the mind of that one he shared the same fucking idea with me. He might be an AI or whoever programmed that AI to even have that thing. Because if AI programmed, so as he program here established, meaning lamadoda study shy softwares and all that fucking thing. So yeah, program. So whoever programmed that AI, he find what I found also. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now we found ukuthi the things of yesterday today can be a different thing. Now this question aligns nenye questions that I've asked ukuthi, for those of us who hold a belief ukuthi umdali simbona based upon indlela abo basinqobayo ababona ngayo. Yabo? That's the only thing we know, let's say it in this time. Wouldn't it feel alien, nobana someone else came telling us about what happened way back in time? Or would you know what you think you know, it's not true, and you've been deceived? This is the truth. How would we know ukuthi lo brother uthethe inyani? How would we find out? Sasingekho thina that time. Even yena lo brother who speaks, the flesh itself was not there at that time. Even yena uqala pha kuye from the beginning of self. How did he know? And how did he know ukuthi this is what truth is? You see? So We will never know until siyazi ukuthi what is truth. What is truth? Inyani. How do you know ukuthi lento inyani if you were not there? What is truth? Yazi, this thing reminds me ebanda kwethu andinguye nomuntu ke mina ku trained for this like ezwezo YouTube songs amane move into dimensions and dimensions of understanding according to how umoya wam reveals. So if ndiye ndane topic endiye ndayithetha ndayishiya phakathi ndingakhange please guys, on the comment section, like and subscribe so that the algorithm can push this thing further and unalert ukuthi what is it that you would like me to explain more. But how do you know if something it is true? We know it truth or what is something it is true because of its immortal existence in constancy. Bakanye bathina abanye wathina nganala magama adum okanye uthina wekho dum but bayawabiza nje ngehlobo lawo. Bathi intona la magama like into xa isenzeka no matter how hard you will try ba uyifound ngenye indlela, you will always find the same thing. Is spontaneity or I don't know these things. No, true time. But inyani inalo mkhuba. Inyani if mna ndiyaphila ngoku masenze umzekelo ilanga nali ilanga uyalibona musila. You know, sunshine where I am today, and lucky because I can see the sun from this point. It's coming from the east. You know, I can see the sun. So even in 1,000 years to come, if this place won't be destroyed, and when I come and sit here, you will see and experience the viewpoint that I will explain. This is what I say, and what. But you will see the same thing I'm talking about. That is truth. Truth does not change. That is only character. Truth nayo. More like umzekelo, le truth iti. To come in this life, you have to be born. To live here, you have to die. Question remain, what is in between? So as I stated through another time. But these two poles, it's negative and positive, they always remain like that. You either coming through birth, coming out of vagina of a woman, and you live through a grave or death. But we know there are other artificial ways. That's what they call it, artificial. Joga like maskasirism art artificial. Yazi artists in Swambung and day one, they can give life to dead things. The artists. Yazi kunamadoda who don't know a level of art ukuthi iqalaphi iphelephi. The dimensions umhlambi ngamanye amagama, because iart kunabantu abacefa iart is about ukuzoba okanye ukucula lana uthiwa it's a singing artistical skill. No, mntakwethu, art is not that only. I emphasize that point only, because also that is art. So but art mntakwethu it's creativity. That is art. No one would ever be able to do art without being creative. And then within the creativity, like within the creative sphere, exist skills that you need to acquire so that you employ them to express your creativity. Then ke ngoku sileka phaa ke ngoku abanye bethu who did go to kwi-dojos of their own skills, meaning xa ndithi dojos, university, if you learn about ukubhala, if you never learn from a university ukubhala kwakho, you learn from someone obalaseleyo ekuhlaleni ngento ethile, and you know, knowing the pioneers and those who are best, meaning the gods ke ngoku. But masingafiki there, because you don't know wena kanti the gods, what do I talk about? Unale yakho i-idea, yabo. Of which ke ngoku le yakho i-idea i-grand ibe le idea yayo, yabo. No one fight idea yakho. Okay, so now wena ke we see ukuthi since life on its own inale duality of itself. Yabo. Loo nto isenza ke ngoku into nobana simuvele into another realms zokuqonda. Simuvele kwenye realms, because whatever I was explaining art, it's not what I want to talk about today. Ukubone, sometimes you always lose a train of thought because of mind yakho is scattered everywhere, just like I am now. That's why abanye abantu babona ku YouTube bephethe zawo lamaphepha, you know, try to adjust their thoughts and all. You know, no, I'm not going to do that thing for now. So I want you to know ukuthi I'm not coming a YouTuber what and what mina ndiwalker in spirit, so what I feel is what I reason about. So now I might reason about this thing, uthi sanimamele, suddenly I shifted to something else. You have to go with me, as babe sithetha ngetruth sithi truth constant. You have to go with me instead of getting lost in between. Yabo. So banda kwethu, along the time ne ndiyacinga ukuthi I don't know ukuthi izawuspana ncam ukuthi ndirizine nedaughter yam, like when I make these videos ndizenzele for yena, like for the family purposes, if noba inguye alone, but for my children in future time to come, thathe ngoba director here to learn philosophy and the ideas and the how utata uhlobo acinga ngalo. Ndingaza nolu lwazi nale experience nayo ndiyishere nawe, and siseli sizibuza imibuzo ebalulekileyo yobomi ukuthi into ethile ihamba kanjani. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So there's a lot flooding my mind, you know, a lot, but I don't even know where to start. Because I found what, you know, aba bantu badila ngo YouTube, bane promoters and all that stuff, they got certain ways of doing things, you know. They got certain ways of doing things, like more like when they do e-marketing and bekutitsha ngeskills ukuthi video yakho, this is what it's supposed to look like and all that stuff in order to reach million views. So laa nto ivele indiquestionise ukuthi mna on my own like i-aim yam here ku-reach 1,000,000 views or kurizina nawe my brother my sister ukuthi uyigethe le nto ndiyithethayo. No matter I will never reach those 1,000,000 views, it does not matter. It's another choice I have to make. And also ndifuna uaddressa this thing to elders. Yabo, my elders, ndikhe ndathi ndifukuza somewhere and I found ukuthi niyakhala somewhere ukuthi no, kunabantu who come in their own platforms bereason about wisdom that they learn from you, but they never reference that wisdom. Ukuthi I take this thing there, this is where I learn this thing, because khumbula ungaligqwetha ube intontoni, you have an institution of learning. This is here below, it is there above. Yes, also it is there here, it will be there. So I know, elders, when you speak like this, I know. But you know why I don't say this and this, I take it there? It's just because I don't speak about quoting most of the time what you guys said. I speak from my own experience and my own understanding of what I have found. What you might talk about might not be new, but when you might think incha. But mhlambi, it's when I met you, it's when you explain these things so clear to me. Does not mean another fool will get what I'm getting from you. Just like I didn't get this thing clear, didn't click from those who told me the same thing you are talking about before. So now I have people, when I speak like this to them, without this background and seeing fancy things, but they can capture the richness of the words and the knowledge that I imparted to them. They did go to other people's and other platforms and experience a lot of things. But because I speak this way, I understand. I mean, they understand. Le nto efana nasesikolweni. Ezikolweni sasititshwa ngoba sidoma siyazi maths and science and physics vat. No, awukho dom, my brother. I tell you today, you were never dom. You know the problem with you? It's either you are ignorant to learn more about the subject yakho, or uteacher lo wakho akanaso skill sayo le subject. Le subject funeka iteachwe ngumuntu oyiphilayo in order to make it clear. Yazi, when you teach, you have to teach from a point of understanding, not from a point of quoting. Quoting must be the emphasis of what you are talking about. When you understand, you can take this Zol. Uxelela ubrother ukuthi this my brother yizol. Iyaqhuma my brother. Yi-ash le xa ibizwa. Kunale black spot inegama layo. Kunale white spot inegama layo. Kunale cala le filter linegama lalo. Ngaphakathi kuneganja inamagama ayo. Then brother umsele stages of creating these things that we your brothers, to teach, it is a skill. You have to feel it. No, not this thing, man, we meet at schools. You know, I understand what in the government systems of knowledge, it is impossible for us to fail. Or whoever you are as a student, I'm not talking of color again as a black man. As if you are a human being, you have a brain, you ain't supposed to fail in the government schools. But the problem, we are not taught that life game. And because of peer pressure and jealousy and uhlobo esikhuliswe ngalo kumakwethu omama bethu becima famba what they did to their own brothers and sisters kwamanye ama you know bacima famba abagrand. ankile lacisha apha endlini lalibulewe nginozala umuntu akwethu waphasa usisithunzela wenziwe you get andifuna uya there but you know brothers and sisters, no one is fucking dumb. You know ukuthi into eyi-one ingathethwa ngumuntu omnye, you will never understand him. Udinga abanye abantu, even 3 or 4 people to speak the same fucking thing. Ukhona luzade umve. This is a natural way of understanding. Mhlawumbe lo muntu ehlobo athetha ngalo yena kuye ngaphakathi unalani uthetha nomuntu owaziyo, but wena muntu ungazidololo, you don't know uba lo muntu unala idea kuye. Somewhere in between the realms, equal confusion. But once we align as one, now no tata, because why? There is a genie in the bottle. The genie in the bottle, my Lord, knows. Because even in that bottle that utters the word, it's the genie that utters. See? So, when am I Lord? If when a king, you look at life the way it comes, you will find ukuthi in honest truth here something is terrible happening in this plane. And yazi, hey, the universe is strange. If you don't feel these frequencies, uthula uvale edwe, and that now ukho level when I will reach alento nithethayo. Ngicela those who know, they must confirm. On the comment section bafethu ungaforget to like and subscribe so that the algorithm will push this thing forward. Why do I do this thing? Mhlawumbe meditation yam is to program you, change your belief. Why? It's for teaching. Yabo, teaching what to you? Ukuthi me, treat me like Morpheus. I am here to point the door to you. It's gonna be you who walk it, not me. Me, I've walked my own doors and I'm still having other doors to open. So it's for teaching and entertainment, or entertainment, whatever you wanna call it. Because I know these words zamangamla ziyathanda usenza confuse. Yabo. Yazi kunenye elide kithi kayithethe ichaze ngqonde ubrothers beningayazi we understand ne. Uthi brother. No man bantakwethu ngicela nini understand ne, because mhlambi noba kukhula ndizawuthi ndithetha ngenye imini endaweni kawazi ndithi is, endaweni kagone ndithi fetch. Yabo. So ngomso unexpectanga udibana nawe ungixelela into nobana bendithetha ukuthini xa nsithi ubane bebheke endaweni ethile instead of ndithi wazi ndithi fetch. No, utilize your own knowledge, because this is not propaganda. You have a freedom to think freely. You are not bounded here to be used unconsciously against a premeditated, wicked intention. No. So even one day mhlambi someone else unfound in this court to yeah mhlambi the man his videos was propagating bantakwethu mhlambi mistake ke leyo mna I didn't know mhlambi nibhidwe kwaligama yes basisitsho sithi the words sometimes they don't portray what we want to talk about. So ndidinga i-intellectuals apha kule channel only bantakwethu, only, please, only. I don't need people who are fools, people who are jokers, and people who are freestylers of life. Please, guys. Because tomorrow I don't want to talk about explaining something that I didn't even mention. If I miss a correct word, listen between the lines and catch up with it. Oh, man, if the brother says this in the second line, he can't say that in the first line. So make your own meaning out of what I'm uttering. don't take what I'm saying. If what I'm saying is wrong to you, or can cause mhlawumbe ukuthi urebele kwinto that I didn't even aware mina myself ukuthi it does that, please make it your own way and be responsible for whatever of your own team. But before you can come and judge the man, please listen to what I'm saying and grasp it and try to employ it so that you will understand by action. Yabo? So that ngomso brother andifuni benixoxele uvobe man. But in the end I feel ukuthi mandi-emphasize this thing because in the end I found other elders speaking the same thing ukuthi hey, they don't know ukuthi how this thing goes ukuthi sometimes ufuna ukuthi is adversity, but and I knew ukuthi even me I have that problem. So sometimes it can twist the meaning of the message. It will be better sometimes before you can even judge me, you come and confront me and play this video once again together, hleli phansi siyibukele, and then you ask me ukuthi that's what you were trying to mean, or mna ndikuva uthi kule way yabo, so ingabutsho nyani, then mina ndizakuxelela ukuthi mntakwethu mhlawumbi yini uba uyiva ipoint yam, then I will explain more. But I don't want to go to court for the stupid things that you can't get wena ngeyakho madness of misconceptualizing of what I am saying. Because to speak, my Lord, it's something we learn as human beings. Way back we didn't speak. I can just send this fucking thing to you and you know it exactly the way I am. But also, question remains. Where is the proof? Where is the proof? You got any proof outside there in the world? You got any proof there are brothers who have been there doing that? But it's another topic for another time. 32 minutes and 18 seconds. The waster ndizamu explainer into unnecessary. I haven't even get to the point. Why? Because most of you brethren are so confused. Mhlawumbe even uYouTube lo yena self lo uzawun no. How YouTube intelligent sometimes, let's hope we did never do that. Okay, banda wethu. Now dibawela okay dithethe treat le video like introduction. Apha ndifuna ukhenda ukuthi dithethe ngento ukuthi what is it that I plan to do in the future time to come. Yabona banda kwethu, mna I'm an artist. As an artist, I create images. And the creation of images on its own got its own facets. And ke ngoku umuntu ongajoki ofana nam did go deeper in the rabbit hole to a point ukuthi, you know, the only witness I have no witness was Satana Bachongi. No witnesses here. We aren't revealing those things. Chongi the word Satan say yes. And they found anyway. So now I is an artist. I loved the art. Mntakwethu ndiyayithanda i-art yabo, ndiyayithanda i-art bra la way yabo. And yeah, sometimes ndikhe ndi-imaginishe life yam like ndiyiliva i-art in another man's life sometimes. those I saw ukuthi they live a similar life with what I desire. Yabona mina my brother, I'm an artist, but I am a growing artist. So when we talk about art, we are talking about trees perpendicular to what is real. Art lendetha ngayo, but ndiyizikelisa with trees. Trees imithi. Art isakhono sobuchule. Trees can be many types of trees with their different properties of healing and their powers and what. The art, it's in different forms. I, the artist, I am the creation of Matikita. Songeziwe Matikita. It's just that I go about here now, elder here. Uxolo, my teacher, I will call you my elder because the gurus are the elders. But out of the confusion, you came and brightened I vision. But the problem now I found, it's another side that you never taught us, you as teachers. What is it, the side you didn't teach us? It's the business side, man. You didn't give us the full structure of the world we are about to enter. Yazi buhlungu nonubana be artist ube nesakhono yacula. Rap. You don't know, my brother, there is a business side to this thing because you have to sell the thing. Rap. And most of us as artists, we focus on the creative aspect or in the sphere of creativity in art. We never focus on the business side. Now we have to go again in the journey of life and learn business. To turn now your creative skill into something you can use to survive. Yes, who can lie or deny the fact that teachers like Miss Osna, they did introduce us a bit kule field business. Or ndim bona confused because ngoku another light comes in my mind ukuthi maybe it was not their responsibility even to teach us about the business side of the art industry. There are those who are placed in the school facility to teach us about those things. So each of the teacher idlala role yayo. Meaning we system.